Is that heat?
No, that's bad. That's heat. Let's just
Okay.
take these buildings right here.
Okay.
Moving to my mark.
There's buys on our right and left.
Okay. Is this even a good building?
I don't know. Not really.
It's a small building. It's a one-floor building. This one's easy to push.
Yeah, we don't have enough windows or anything to cover.
Fuck, man. Should we risk it and go over there?
Yeah. Where?
That's a good building. That main building here. I know people
Moving
are here.
this way.
Okay, let's go. Fuck it.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I see someone going up the fucking thing right here. He's going onto the roof.
Okay. Fuck it then. Fuck it. Fuck it. Let's just chill here.
He just got clustered.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
We're in the circle. They do not. They have to go to these houses over here where they're getting fucking clustered. They have to go to these houses.
Fuck, they just popped UAV again, man. How much fucking UAVs they got over there, man?
Might be a different team too. Watch out, we might get pushed from another side.
Fuck, I should have made a ghost loadout, man. I have double time, so I run super fast right now.
I hear a car or a boat?
Boat. Car.
Car. They're coming to us. Dead.
Okay,
My gun's strong, bro. Did you shoot that car?
Of course I did.
Gas is closing in.
Can I loot him real quick? Cover?
Okay, let's find a better building.
Okay,
Man.
have
This is a shitty
shit.
fucking building.
Okay, let's go.
Your team made
I
it
don't
to
see
the
any
safe
big
zone.
buildings.
We could try to hold this
Moving
building
this
if
way.
we could make it there, or one of these ones.
Okay, let's go.
Or this
Moving.
one. This one looks good. By the gas station? Okay, no, that one's shit.
This one's a two-story one right there.
Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go.
152.
Okay, 2 stories is good. Anything with 2 stories where we
Right,
can,
there's
like, try to outplay people.
Remember, there's a team to the left too.
They're probably there already, to be honest.
Guess we'll just clear our way right here.
Okay.
This might be the same circle that we won last time.
I got a
Well, actually, no,
plate
last time was like 3. Okay, cool. Oh shit. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna move to this one.
box. Oh, right here
first.
behind us, Jimmy! Jimmy, behind us, behind us. Let's kill these guys.
Okay, okay. Okay.
They're coming up
Ready
the hill.
when
They're
you
coming
are.
up the hill. I'm
Enemy
ready.
here.
No, they're shooting, they're shooting. They're getting shot by somebody to our left. They're getting shot by somebody to our left. Behind you! Oh shit.
He just jumped down the hill.
Taking effective
I'm
fire.
hurt. Go in the building.
Okay.
Oh,
There's another team here. Oh, I'm flashed. I'm flashed.
Okay, I'm going inside the building.
Clear, let's clear this building.
Up. Oh, fuck!
Oh, downstairs.
Fuck. Oh, fuck! He's coming up, he's coming up.
Grenade.
No, you're not.
He's nading, he's nading. Oh my god, man, he got me, man. Fuck.
Oh, I'm out of plates too. Fuck.
Fuck, this is good,
Fucking
bro.
smart play.
Gas is
Should
closing
have jumped out the window and
Relocating
fucking
the
circled
safe
them.
zone.
Fuck.
You'll have to fight to earn redeployment.
Okay, we're back.
Luck is on your side. We are sending you back to
we're
the
back.
front lines.
No one left to fight.
Area is clear.
Fuck, should we just go back down there and fucking fuck them up with pistols?
No, bro, that's for sure dead.
Okay, then houses right under us, or you want these houses to the left?
Let's go these houses to the left.
And work our way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Moving this way.
Oh, they're getting clustered there too. Fuck.
Okay, don't go there.
Can we just gotta go straight down there?
Okay.
Unless you want to go back there. I don't even know where that is anymore.
We died like over there somewhere.
It was, yeah, like it was right here, this house right here. Go back. Oh, you going down?
Yeah, I went
you down?
Yeah, I went down. I fucked up.
Oh, this is not even houses. This is that stupid thing.
Yeah. Oh, sniper on the hill,
Okay. Don't.
Here. Fuck, guy, close, on me, close.
Your team is in the safe zone.
Oh my god.
25 remaining.
Got him.
You got the guy close to me?
Yep. Lucky I picked up
Oh
the
fuck,
fucking
one right here,
pistol.
on me.
Knock him out! Don't shoot me!
Grab this shit.
Holy fuck.
You need something with a scope, Tony? Nice gun with a scope here.
I got one.
Okay.
Oh, this thing only has 9 bullets? Fuck.
Here, take this one.
Never mind, I got it. I picked up some bullets.
A lunchman. Do I want a lunchman? Yeah, I do want a lunchman. So that costs.
So there's a bunch of people behind. Did you get
Well,
that
that's-
sniper on the hill?
No, I didn't. He's got it. We have to take that sniper out.
Okay, there's gonna be a bunch of guys coming in behind us.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
I think there's someone in this
We're in the
tower,
circle.
bro.
Oh yeah, he's climbing up the tower. 2 of them.
Down one?
Okay. The other guy's running up. The other guy got up. Yeah, he's dead. Got him. The last guy on top.
Last guy
I
top.
fucking need that other gun now. Last guy's on top.
You're in
Yep.
the top 10.
Left side, you see
Well
that?
done.
Plating.
He's hurt. Fuck, this is a bad spot.
Gas
Bro.
is inbound.
I flashed him.
Fuck, we can't push
Fuck.
that anyways, bro.
Yeah, I can't push that. I'm moving right though, just in case he fucking tries to run out.
Some of
Okay.
your team is still outside the safe zone.
Yeah, we cannot push that, man. Unless we have something to throw at his ass.
I only have 30 bullets. Oh, he's running out the back. Yeah, he's peeking right here. So he's not in the windows no more.
Okay. I'm watching the left here.
I only have 30 bullets, bro.
Fuck. I only have 34
That's it.
in one gun and 75 in one gun. Fuck, I want to loot this guy's boy, man.
Oh fuck, I see ammo.
You've got gas inbound.
Yeah, me
Safe
too.
zone relocated.
Oh my god.
You've made it to the top 5. Good work.
Did he have any good guns?
No, he had bullshit guns. But he has a satchel
Ammo
here.
pouch, mark.
I'm good on satchel. Fuck, we just have to fucking play under this guy.
Yeah,
Unless he jumped out and we didn't know about it.
I don't think so.
4 teams, 5 people. We have numbers, bro.
Do we?
Oh, he's right there still. I still see his ass.
Gas is moving.
Look at him. He's right on top of us. You see him?
Move to the
He just
safe
ran
zone.
in. We can't shoot him. Yeah. A waste of bullets.
There's a waste of bullets.
Yeah.
He has to jump.
Just gotta wait till he jumps.
Yeah, he has to jump. He's jumping!
Jumping?
Target down!
Nice.
Okay, loot his shit quick.
Okay.
Okay, I got his shit.
I don't want that gun. Okay.
Quick with the guns, bro.
3 teams, 4 people. 3 teams, 4 people.
So 2 solos.
Yeah.
Gas is
Who's
moving
coughing? You
in.
coughing?
New safe zone located.
Me.
On me! Left.
Oh no, fuck. Come down.
On flash.
Nice. One more.
Okay, come to me.
Yeah, I'm coming.
You're still breathing. You can fight.
Fuck, gas!
Oh, the gas.
Okay, play it up, take it easy.
He knows where we are. Yeah. Can we even jump over this thing?
No, we can't. We have to go around.
Can't.
You've got gas inbound.
He's in front of us,
Broke
right
all
here.
my plates. Oh, right, yeah.
He's hurt. He's really hurt.
Zone is far from
He's
your
hurt.
location. Advise you get moving.
He's running on the street. I'm out of bullets.
He's hurt.
Yeah, I'm going in for the push.
Slow it down. I have 20 rounds.
He's in this house.
Is he upstairs or? On me! Done.
Fight me!
Nice. Yeah, that's it, Tony.